Hi guys, Miss Olivia here in the kindergarten corner, and I just want to start off by saying I am so proud of every single one of you guys for working so hard this first week of Horizons. We are now on week 2, and things are going to be great. This week in the kindergarten corner, as you can see, we're going to be counting between 10 and 20. So all the numbers between 10 and 20, okay? And with our counting, we're going to be able to show those numbers. So for an example, you guys can show the number 10 using 10 hearts. That way you know that 10 hearts represents my number 10, okay? So with that being said, we're gonna just go through our numbers. I use stars to represent each number because I love stars, but you guys can use your bears, or you guys can use smiley faces. You guys can use stars, hearts, squares, whatever you guys would like to represent each number. So I'm going to go through the numbers twice. One, I'm just going to go through, and the second one I'll go through and put it in the screen so you guys can see. Okay, and then at the very end, I'm going to give you guys a challenge of adding two-digit numbers to make one total number. Okay, here we go. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So those were the numbers that are in between 10 and 20. We're going to go through those one more time. And as you see at the bottom of each of my numbers, I have the stars, and the stars match the number, okay? Just keep that in mind. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and lastly, we have 20. So those are my numbers between 10 and 20. And now it's your guys' turn to show me how you can represent the numbers between 10 and 20, as I have up here as well. So you guys are going to go ahead and grab your primary journal, or even a piece of construction paper, or your index cards, whichever you'd like to use, and a pencil. And you guys also can use your bears if you would like as well, which is recommended. And you guys are going to show me how you can represent all these numbers. Okay, so like I said before, when I showed you that I had 10 hearts to represent the number 10, you guys are going to show me how you can represent each number. And I will actually write the numbers up here so we have them and you guys can use them. You guys can pause the video as well so you can see each number. There we go. So I wrote each number between 10 and 20 up on the board, and you guys can pause the video to see. That way you can represent each number. Okay, and with that, I want to challenge you guys at the very end after you guys represent your numbers. I want you guys to look at these problems right here. Okay, I have 10 plus 12, 14 plus 16, and 15 plus 11. And you're going to represent these by showing me 10 plus 12, 14 plus 16, and 15 plus 11 to find me one total number. Okay, so you guys can pause the video if you need to see it again. And remember, always reach for the stars and keep shining bright, guys. Keep up the good work.